Prime Minister.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us here.
Yeah, well, you brought the sun.
Yes, I see. Yes. Square is the Minister for Tourism, Trade,
Excellent.
my Permanent Secretary,
Nice to meet you.
and our Commissioner in Canberra.
Ah, yes, nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Beautiful. Big groups celebrating this Fiji Day around Sydney. So now it's just a one day, one people affair.
And where is that?
We have something like, I don't know how many people. Thank you, sir. Silakan.
Lighthouse out there at the top. That's all there. My electric.